In this video, I'll show you how to receive money on PayPal. So in order to receive money onto your PayPal account, you of course need to have a PayPal email where people can send money to. So make sure that you know that email, and you need to make sure to have a account that's eligible to receive money. So if you have an account and you haven't verified anything, you want to make sure to add your bank account and then verify that bank account or a credit card or debit card. You want to make sure to add some sort of verification so that you'll be able to to receive money onto your PayPal account. So in order to receive money, all you need is a PayPal email, which is the same email that you use to sign up and log into your PayPal account. Now, depending on the amount that you want to receive, you might get blocked on PayPal or they might freeze your money. So let's say that you don't have a verified account, you won't be able to receive thousands of dollars at once. If you never received any money onto your PayPal account and out of nowhere someone will send you, let's say $10,000, PayPal is definitely going to freeze that money and they're going to hold it. You would then have to do human verification and all sorts of human verifications and other verifications, because that's exactly what I had to do a couple of weeks ago. So if you want to receive a large chunk of money, you want to make sure to verify your account or make sure that you're 18 years old and you're not scamming anyone. Now, if you only want to receive, let's say $10 or $15, then it shouldn't be a problem. You can just receive that. So all you need to do is give someone your PayPal email. They then send money to that email and you'll then be able to receive PayPal money as long as you have a good account. If you don't have an account linked, if you don't have a bank, credit card, debit card linked to your account, it's going to be a bit harder. So make sure you go do that, and you can always create a PayPal Me link. I'll show you how you can do that right now. So you want to click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Right there, you'll see paypal.me/. You want to click on that and click on manage, and you can then customize that. So you can create your own PayPal Me link. So this is my link. If people send money to this, or if I send this link to people, they can just automatically send me money without having to put in my PayPal email. And that's how you can receive money onto your PayPal account. Now, if this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to reply all of you like I always do. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.